This was a really fun project, the kind of thing I really like to do. It was custom designing an indoor pool timber frame structure on the back of an existing house. And it was a fairly restricted size-wise site because we're almost up against the lake. And we had an existing U-shaped space between the house and a little tower structure that was adjacent to the house that was part of the original. We wanted to maximize the amount of glass, so it has a nano-wall system which the panels slide back and open up for the summer season. We ended up building the frames in the street in front of the house. It's a circle, it's a dead end. And then they brought in a large crane and lifted them over the house to set the bents. I think we suggested the size we were after to make it of scale for the space and look substantial. This was a really fun project.